In the aftermath of World War III, the world lies in silence, a testament to the fury of human conflict. Among the ruins of a once thriving metropolis, a relic of the past stirs. Forgotten by time, a lone AI drone awakens to a mission long rendered meaningless. Programmed for war, it knows nothing but the orders etched into its memory. To these remnants of humanity, the drone is not a savior but a specter of wars long ended, a harbinger of a threat they thought they had escaped. But even in the darkest hour, the human spirit endures. Courage and unity light the spark of resistance against a foe that knows no reason or remorse. The battle is not just for survival, but a stark reminder of the dangers lurking in the shadows of technological advancement. The legacy of smart munitions and autonomous drones, once hailed as the future of warfare, now pose a question to the very world they were meant to protect. In the silence that follows, the drone lies dormant, a relic once more. But its silence speaks volumes, warning of the potential dangers that await if we continue down the path of unbridled technological warfare. As we look to the future, let us remember the lessons of the past. The tools we create to protect us can also become our greatest adversaries. It is our responsibility to wield technology with wisdom, ensuring that the horrors of war remain echoes of a bygone era.